Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you how to create a desktop shortcut for Claude. After installing the Claude app, you may notice that it doesn't automatically create a shortcut on your desktop. If you have been wondering how to launch it more easily, don't worry, it's actually very simple. This method also works for many other Windows apps that don't create desktop shortcuts after installation. Okay, let's get started. First, let's go to Google Chrome, search for Claude. Click the first link. Let's go to its official website. And scroll down. Here, click Download Desktop App. Choose your download folder and click Save. Next, double-click the file we have just downloaded. And it takes a few seconds to install the app. Okay, after the app has been installed, let's go to Desktop. And we notice that there's no Claude shortcut on the desktop. So to create a shortcut for Claude, first press Windows and R. A Run dialog box will open. We type shell and a colon mark. Then type apps folder and click OK. A window will open showing all the apps installed on your computer. Now find Claude in the list. Right-click on it. Then select Create Shortcut. Windows will display a message saying it can't create the shortcut in this location, and will ask, do you want the shortcut to be placed on the desktop instead? Click Yes. Then we go back to the desktop. You will now see a Claude shortcut on your desktop, making it much easier to open the app whenever you need it. You can use this same method for other installed apps that don't automatically create desktop shortcuts as well. And that's all I have for you today. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more quick and easy tech tutorials. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below and I will do my best to help. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Take care.